Okay, this video is, we've finished, oh, that's in my way, hang on. The video is up, it's been released. And what we do now is go ahead and post it to the website and create the next video for next week. First, I determine what next week's date is going to be. It is going to be the 6th. All right, ignore all whatever you just saw. Anyway, so we create this button up here. We're on the same page where we just uploaded and it's finished now. So from the last video. So I hit create. We're going to go live. Schedule the stream. I reuse the settings. These are the settings. If the previous week it was the sermon one, then of course it'll be this. But if we ever do anything special, weddings or anything, for example, this you'll have to change. But once you hit reuse settings, it fills everything in and we just have to change dates. So this is going to be 8, what did I say, 6th? 31, let's see. 6, yep, that comes out right. I had to calculate. And it should always say our weekly Sunday service for Sunrise Chapel Hill, North Carolina, Sunrise Church, just like it says there. It's already got the proper thumbnail. This comes out of resources if it's missing and you've got to add it back. We go next, we hit next again, and then on this page, make sure it's set to public. Pick the date, which as you can see is going to be the 6th. Make sure you change this time back to 10 a.m. That's one I've missed before. It doesn't mean that it can't still be used by whoever's running the live stream next week. It just means it'll show the wrong time if you go to the YouTube channel. So August 6th, 10 a.m. verify public. Done. All right, once you've done all of that, then we get to post it up to, we're posting it to our website. We use Doodah, which is, and I'm not going to, in this video tutorial that we're doing, I'm not going to give you the credentials. So you'll have to get that from me or somebody else if you need these credentials. But I go to the Doodah site editor and on the Doodah site editor, oh, I forgot something. Before I do the Doodah site editor, see, I'm already showing you something I did wrong. Let's go back to YouTube. I didn't mean to, but anyway. So I'm on here, I go to our videos, I go to the live. Don't you love when things beep? And what we do is we grab the live stream that we just created. First thing we do is turn the old one, the one that was today, unlisted. So unlisted. If you stop right there and you continue on, you won't notice, but it won't become unlisted. Don't forget to click save, in other words. So you click save, it's now unlisted. This is our next week one. You want to grab the shareable link here. Then we want to go to Doodah, click on pages, click on latest video, click anywhere over here, and this is the code for this. This is just an HTML box, and we drop this link that they just gave us right here. We make sure we change the date, in this case 8/6. Nothing else needs to be changed for this one. We update that. We're done with posting the live stream up. The next thing you're going to want to do is go back to YouTube, because we're going to have to do this embedding here. So we go back to YouTube channel, go back to videos, we've got it here, but we're not getting a link this time, we're going to embed, so we open it in YouTube with this play button here. As it's playing, you hit share, and then hit embed. It comes up with this, you just hit copy, you don't need anything else, just always follow it. If you do, make sure that show player controls is showing, but other than that, copy. It's copied now. Then we can go back over to Doodah, click in here, go to the very bottom of this, and you're going to replace this iframe at the bottom, which is what it's given us. So when I hit F6, it pastes in the iframe for the new embedding, the new video. And now we've got to fix a couple things, which is we have to fix, hello Oreo. You wanted to be part of the video? Is that it? Hang on. Let me finish doing what I'm doing. All right, this date was 30. Just a minute. And so you're getting a little insistent here. We didn't know you were coming. You got to change this description. I usually just shift in and paste it in. And then from there we can, this is all in the step-by-step guide, by the way. And then we update, we republish. Once we've done that, we go to the Sunrise website. This is the actual website now. I click on the live just to make sure it's showing 6 days out. It is at 10 a.m. And then I go back, I can close that one, and then I go down here and make sure this is the correct one that's being started up here. The Doodah and all this kind of stuff here. So I'll close all that. Now remember we did the Otter update, and with the closed captioning, we're going to go ahead. I'm just going to start this. There's actually a closed captioning of video that starts from this file, except it's last week's file, but you get the idea. So we hit go to transcript. You always get this which says you need to be notified. That's not true. Once the YouTube video is up, trust me, this is done processing. So you close that, click on the three dots, the ellipses next to share, and click export. This is the way it's working today. They sometimes change these things. I get rid of the underscore Otter AI and delete it so that the name is exactly matching our video. I export. It goes to our download folder. I grab it from the, as you see, that's this right here. I'm going to grab it from the download folder and drop it over into our main folder. And then just close this. So it's now part of our main folder. I'm not going to continue on from there because the closed captioning video picks up from that file. So we're done with this. We usually just close it. There's no reason to delete this from Otter AI. We just close it, and we're done with that. And that's it. We are done for right now. Thank you.